Samsung is getting ready to make another big move in the foldable smartphone market, and fresh One UI 9 leaks are giving us an early look at what's coming next. In July 2026, the company is expected to introduce three new foldable devices: the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and a completely new wider foldable model currently known by the internal code name H8. Rather than being minor upgrades, these devices appear to focus on meaningful improvements in durability, comfort, and overall usability. Samsung has dominated the foldable category for years, but the competition is no longer standing still. Chinese manufacturers and other global brands are rapidly improving their own foldable designs. With this next generation, Samsung seems determined not just to maintain its leadership, but to refine the foldable experience in ways that make it more practical for everyday users. One of the most interesting developments is the rumored wider foldable model. This device is expected to sit alongside the premium Fold and Flip series, but target a different segment of buyers. Early information suggests it will offer a broader display than the standard Fold, delivering a more immersive experience for watching videos, gaming, reading, and multitasking. At the same time, it may come at a slightly lower price point compared to the top-tier Fold model. If this strategy proves accurate, it signals Samsung's intent to expand foldables beyond tech enthusiasts and early adopters. Many consumers are curious about foldable phones but hesitate due to high prices and long-term durability concerns. By offering multiple form factors and pricing tiers, Samsung is building a more flexible portfolio that appeals to both premium buyers and more cost-conscious customers. Durability remains the most critical challenge for foldable smartphones, and Samsung appears to be addressing it directly. One of the most talked about upgrades is a new foreign material detection system. Foldable devices rely on complex hinge mechanisms, and small particles like dust or sand can cause serious damage if trapped inside. The new system is designed to detect debris that prevents the phone from closing properly. According to leaks, advanced sensors combined with software intelligence will identify when an obstruction is present in the hinge area. If the device detects resistance caused by foreign particles, it will alert the user before any permanent damage occurs. This may seem like a simple addition, but in practical terms, it could significantly reduce screen failures and extend the lifespan of these devices. Even more impressive is the possibility that Samsung might bring this feature to older foldable models through software updates. If that happens, it would demonstrate long-term support for existing customers rather than limiting innovation to new hardware only. Either way, the inclusion of this system highlights Samsung's commitment to improving reliability. In terms of design, the changes may appear subtle, but they are strategically important. The upcoming foldables are expected to feature slightly more rounded corners, enhancing comfort during prolonged use. Ergonomics often go unnoticed in spec sheets, but small refinements in shape and weight distribution can dramatically improve the daily user experience. Samsung is also reportedly working to further minimize the visibility of the display crease. The crease has been one of the most visible compromises of foldable technology. While it has improved over generations, it still remains noticeable under certain lighting conditions. With the Fold 8 and its siblings, Samsung is expected to make additional progress in reducing crease prominence, resulting in a cleaner and more immersive display. Rather than introducing radical design overhauls, Samsung seems focused on steady refinement. This gradual polishing approach is typically how emerging technologies transition from niche experiments to mainstream products. On the software front, the new devices are expected to ship with Android 17 layered with One UI 9. Samsung's custom interface has steadily evolved to better support large, flexible displays, and this next version is likely to push that further. Enhanced multitasking tools are expected, including improved split-screen functionality, smoother drag and drop interactions, and more responsive app transitions. Large foldable screens are ideal for productivity, but only if the software fully leverages the hardware. One UI 9 is rumored to introduce smarter window management and greater customization options. Users may gain more control over layouts, themes, and how apps behave in folded versus unfolded states. These refinements could make foldables feel less like novelty devices and more like serious productivity tools. Samsung's broader 2026 strategy is becoming increasingly clear. The company is not simply releasing new devices, it is strengthening a complete foldable ecosystem. By addressing durability concerns, improving ergonomics, refining display technology, and enhancing software capabilities, Samsung is systematically eliminating the barriers that once held foldables back. The introduction of a wider and potentially more affordable foldable could play a crucial role in expanding adoption. For users who are intrigued by foldables but unwilling to pay flagship prices, This new model could serve as an accessible entry point. If current leaks are accurate, July 2026 could mark another significant milestone for foldable smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, and the new wide variant may represent Samsung's most balanced and mature foldable lineup yet. The mission is no longer about proving that foldables can work. Now it's about making them durable, practical, and appealing for everyday life. As more details emerge in the coming months, we will learn more about pricing, performance, and real-world capabilities. But based on what we know so far, Samsung's next generation of foldables looks smarter, tougher, and more refined than ever. If you're interested in staying updated with the latest tech leaks and smartphone news, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss a major update.